Forgotten username recovery failed on Benzinga Fix. If you've forgotten your Benzinga username, most people panic or guess randomly, but the process to recover it is straightforward and secure. Step 1. Go to the Benzinga login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. You'll receive an email containing your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather verification details such as your full name, subscription type or recent account activity. Benzinga support can use these details to verify your identity and manually recover your username. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam, junk and promotions. Follow the recovery instructions carefully and avoid submitting multiple requests simultaneously, which can slow the process. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Benzinga support directly. Provide all verification details and explain that the automated process did not work. Their team will securely guide you through regaining access to your account. After recovering your username, improve security by enabling two-factor authentication and storing credentials in a password manager. This prevents future access issues and keeps your account safe. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access to Benzinga and continue using its powerful market news and research tools. Forgetting your username is just a minor hurdle that can be resolved efficiently.